Namkeen Poha.
Half kg of poha chudwa. Half cup of groundnuts. 2 TBSBs of dry coconut pieces, few cashew nuts, and few almonds. Half cup of roasted chana. Some curry leaves. 3 to 4 slitted green chilies. Salt as per taste. Half TSP of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Hit K-dye and add to TBSP of oil. Transfer some poha and fry. Fry on medium to high flame. Stir continuously. Poha is fried well. Transfer fried poha in a plate or bowl. In same K-dye add to TBSP of oil. Add some poha and fry. Repeat the process and fry remaining poha. Now add 2 to 3 TBSP of oil in K-dye. Add groundnuts. Stir fry. Add roasted chana. Add dry coconut pieces, cashews and almonds. Give a mix and fry. Add curry leaves and green chilies. Fry on medium flame. Add turmeric powder. Add salt. Add red chili powder and fried poha. Mix all ingredients well. Let all nuts and masala mix well with poha. Tasty and Namkeen Poha is done. Transfer tasty Namkeen Poha in a bowl. Tasty and Namkeen Poha is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.